Absolutely. And Damien, looking at that from the other side,
absolutely, yeah.
When you've embarked upon a potential takeover, merger, acquisition, an acquisition, are you going out into the market and looking at potential partners or something to acquire, or are you approached, or is it both?
Well, I'd say it's usually it's both. It can go both ways. I think for us, what is really important is, when we do invest, we do it as a strategic and as a long-term investor. So we're not hedge fund type of investing. So for us, what was said earlier on, when we look at the company and how it's valuated and what is important, what I always find is what is crucial is really that the seller, be it the owners or the senior management, really think about where the value in the business is. There is formulas, obviously, to calculate the financials, but I think in our industries, the values go way beyond just the financials, and the factors are really at all different levels. And I think, to me, that is really the preparation or the thinking ahead, besides having the people ready, is really to think about where do you think your company is adding value. And that's where we then, as a buyer, can start to have discussions and can look at the opportunities and how, when we bring the two companies together, those values, how can we leverage on them? How can we maybe multiply them by combining forces? So that's a bit how we approach it. Maybe a word to the mediator, again, from the other side. I would definitely agree that, for someone who has no experience or a limited experience with the topic, to get some assistance is very valuable. Where we prefer is really regularly talking to the owners, and I'm not always sure that having a mediator just always in the middle is the best way. After all, we're in a people industry, and for us as an investor, it's absolutely crucial to talk to the owners, to talk to, if possible, the senior managers in a company, because that is what is going to drive the success in the future.
Mm-hmm.